It'll be Ji-Hwan Bae, Connor Kaiser, and Mason Martin all standing in to face him. As Bae appears in just his second game with the Grasshoppers, takes a called strike, and we're underway here from Joe Riley Park. Bae was 1 for 4 in his Grasshoppers debut last night. And he breaks his bat, cracked roller to third, picked up by Burt, and he fires across. There's quickly one down here to start the ball game. So Bae on 2 pitches will make way for Connor Kaiser. And the rest of that Grasshopper starting lineup. It'll be Bae, Kaiser, and Mason Martin to start it out. Brett Kinnaman in the cleanup spot. And then Zach Cohn, Fabricio Macias, Grant Cook, Chase Lambert, and Lolo Sanchez rounding out the side. So here's Kaiser standing in and taking a ball. Hill with his second pitch pumped in there for a called strike. Brad Case on the mound in the bottom half of the inning for the Grasshoppers. Here's the 1-1. And pops it up and flares it back. So Hill on the mounds, making his Joe Riley Park debut. And up in the broadcast booth, they have Ryan Latico with us for the first time this year.
Thanks, Matt. It's good to be back.
Yeah, some of our hardcore fans that tuned into the exhibition game last Tuesday might already be familiar with him, as this one is skied foul off to the right. 1 ball and 2 strikes.
Yeah, I'm excited to get my first regular season game under my belt here.
Still a 1 ball, 2 strike count on Kaiser, former shortstop out of Vanderbilt University. Hill has the sign, winds back, deals, swing and a miss. Got him with a good breaking ball. And it's 2 up and 2 down to start the inning for Hill. Looking sharp with the uniform and looking sharp with his stuff early. 2 up and 2 down as he'll face Mason Martin with the bases clean here in the inning. Hill has got electric stuff. MLB Pipeline tabbed him as the Yankees' number 13 prospect in the preseason. And Julio was telling us today in the coaches show he hit into triple digits up to 101 in spring training this year. As he fires one over for a strike by Martin. We're still trying to get the radar gun up on the video board here early. Here's the 0-1. That one at 97 right on cue. And it's in for a called strike 2 on the Greensboro first baseman. Dogs defensively have Eric Wagaman, Kyle Gray on the right-hand side, Torey Alba and Burt at short and third. A little bit of a slight shift put on here, the lefty hitter. Checked his swing, takes it up and away. And on the appeal, down to Jennifer Powell, they'll say that he did not go. It's Eduardo Navas behind the plate working with Hill, Smith, Stowers, and Soto left to right in the outfield. Here's a swing and a ground ball to first. Easy play for Wagaman. He'll stroll to the bag, and it's a 1-2-3 inning for Luis Hill in his Riley Park debut. No runs, no hits, no errors, and none left. Bottom of the first coming up. The Grasshopper bats will be taken out for the first time tonight. River Dogs baseball here, broadcasting on 1250 WTMN.
Nothing says board.